Good morning, this is Ed, Midwest Landscaping, www.uniquenvironments.com. We're here in Anaheim, California, checking out a property where we're going to do an estimate to redo the landscape in the front. The design is made and created by Rama Neary of Creations Landscape Designs, located in Tustin, California, www.creationslandscapes.com. So we're just going to take a walk through and show you what's going to happen here or just what we're working with and go from there. When I first walked up on the job site, I just looked at everything and I said, man, this is a really beautiful native plant landscape. What's going to happen here? What do they want to do? And from talking with the client and talking with Rama, the designer, a lot of the plant material is going to come out. And it's kind of sad because there's a lot of plant material that has hybridized here in this front yard. We have some California poppies there. We have some daffodils that have sprung up to say welcome to spring. Beautiful daffodils. And there's a lot of different native plants that are in different areas in this front yard. Have a lot of bulbs. There's some amaryllises. There's a lot of different plant materials in here. Here, check the amaryllises out. They're getting ready to bloom. It's getting ready to punch out and put out a big bloom. But these are some of the bulbs from the amaryllis. And those are going to come out. We have mother-in-law's tongue, as it's called, a sansevieria. Have a bunch of bulbs back here, and from what I understand, most of these bulbs are going to come out. This grapefruit tree, he told me this is a pink grapefruit, and it has some really huge grapefruits on it, and it doesn't look like they harvest that much. This was kind of sad. He said he had the owner said he had some neighbors that likes the grapefruit, but it's loaded down and it has a lot of new blossoms and stuff, so it's going to be loaded down again with grapefruit. But that's what's happening there. And as we walk over towards the other side here to show you the front, more of the front yard, we have what is this now, a tangerine tree. And he told me the tangerines are really great on this. They just peel like paper and the fruit is really sweet. But we have a lot of different plant materials that have hybridized and naturalized here in the front yard. Some geraniums. These geraniums, they started out on this side of the sidewalk and seeded, and they've come over to this side of the sidewalk. There's a lot of these plants out here that were started from seed that the client's wife, she just do seed out here. So that's another reason why you see all this plant material going on. Check out these little baby daffodils. Aren't they nice? Aren't they cute? So there'll be a lot of different bulbs that are going to be salvaged out of this project. And I know that she's going to probably want to save quite a few of these. This part of the landscape is not going to be touched as you come into the front of the house. And this has to be one of the tallest Nandina domesticas I've ever come across. It's at least 7 foot plus. So it's been around for a long time, but this is a Nandina domestica heavenly bamboo. The shrubs, they're going to come out. These are Raphaelis, Indian hawthorn. It looks like they cut off a lot of the flowers, so you only have a few flowers on it, but all this hedge comes out. We have more ground cover. Nice climber rose there. Let's get over to the other side. We have this beautiful Meyer lemon that's just loaded down with lemons. They almost look like oranges, but these are actually lemons. These are called Meyer lemons. They're very tangy and sweet, not real bitter and sour. But this is kind of like the king of the yard. It's this orange tree. It's a navel orange tree. Check out that orange up in there. That thing is huge. And the fragrance from these blossoms are just incredible. It's just, you can smell these like on the street. You can smell how much this thing has so many flowers on it, and it's just incredible. I'm gonna get one here, clients, so I can have one if I want one. So check this out. This is a navel orange, but look at that thing, man. That thing is huge, and there's more in there. There's some really big ones that are in the middle of the tree that you can't really get to, but just wanted to show you this tree and how beautiful it is and how loaded down with fruit. And I was talking with the owner, and he said that this tree, they fertilized it with some fruit fertilizer that he picked up at Orange County Farm Supply. I did a recent video about Orange County Farm Supply, and all in this area in Anaheim used to be years ago farm area, and so the status of the soil is probably really conducive for citrus and fruit and vegetables. So that's probably another reason why this tree is doing so great, because of the area and its history behind the soils here. But this is the project we're looking at doing a quote for, doing a landscape renovation, a rebate related type project through the Metropolitan Water District of Orange County. So I'm gonna put some numbers together. Hopefully we'll be able to be granted the job to be able to do a makeover and make things happen. So there you go. It's a nice little walkthrough of the job site. Hopefully we'll be able to get this job and make things even more beautiful than what it is now. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so when videos like this come up, you can make us suggestions or make comments, please. Be sure to share this with your friends, and stay tuned and watch the magic.